So to test our motor, we're going to be doing a continuity test on the windings, as well as this one has an overload protector. So we'll want to take our multimeter, put it on a continuity setting. I'm just going to touch my two leads together as if it was a good circuit, and our needle fully deflects and we get an audible sound. So now what we're going to do is just take our motor, and your motor has two windings. It has a run winding and it has a start winding. So what we want to do is a continuity test of those two windings, plus it also has an overload protector so that if it gets too much current pulled through it, it will open the circuit to protect it. So we'll check that as well. In fact, we'll start there first. And this is our overload protector. It's got two white wires going to it. So we'll just put our leads on the connections for this overload protector. And you can see we've got a good circuit. So our overload protector is fine. So now we just want to check our windings and see that we have continuity. You can see our needle is deflecting on our blue and white. Because of the amount of resistance of that motor, it's not enough to allow for an audible signal, but you can see that the meter is fully deflecting. So that winding is good, and we'll check the next winding. And the same thing, so that winding is good. So this motor tests okay. And it's just that easy. And if you're not sure about which wire is which, just have a look at your wiring diagram and it'll get you pointed in the right direction.